Hi guys, today we're gonna do Barbie Dolphin Magic. And now let's open it up, guys. Come on. Gotta use scissors for these. Be very, very careful to not cut off. Be very careful to not cut off the tear because that's important. Let's take the Maddie, Murphy, and Karee out of this mess. So there's a string to it, for in this can go into the back, and the pups can stay inside of here and play with their other friends. And they can put water inside, anything they want. Hi guys, we're gonna put the pups in now. This pup's gonna be standing, even this one. That one's on his front toe, this one's on his back toe, and maybe this one has to be in the middle. Daddy, so the inflatable tube is gonna be right here with the pups. Dad, can you do this? Now we're gonna do this now. Hi guys, we're gonna this is the white jacket and this is the snorkel. It looks cool, right guys? You can put it like that. You can do it any size you want. These are the bottles that can be in the front for this and you can put it on Barbie's mouth. And how can you put it on here? This is the camera that can not get, if it's in water, it cannot get broken. You can put it in water or in no water. And this is the sunscreen that you put on your Barbie. Puppy. This is Barbie's magic boat. So on this side it has these, and this is the rainbow part that you can see the dolphin in the ocean. And these are all the seats. They're only 4 seats for only 4 people. So this guy and this person on this side has to drive it. And let me just put this in. Barbie toys. I love this one because I love her dress and don't do this one right now because it's broken. This one's naked. I don't want to look at that one. Let's look at this one. This one looks cool, but we need to charge it because it's not working. Because if you press this button, it will glow. It's hard to put it in. Let's put Ken driving. No, let's put him in the back. You can make this guy sit. Yes. You just have to do it for a long time. Okay. Now let's put this one in the back one. Sir Marvelous. Her dress is too big, but that's okay. This one can be Barbie Dad. all the hair is scrambled up. Its hair going inside. What make her try and drive? Guys, now we're gonna put on my swimming suit so we can. So I'm gonna grab onto this and swim with it. But first, I have to put on her goggles and her. Where's her work? This on Barbie. So it looks like he's a mermaid, but his back is broken. So don't care about that, okay, guys? So don't listen to me. That one can be for her, but okay, for that one, I only got one more, and it's somewhere. It's here. So this one will be for her. And they know the Barbie magnet boat can fly. But they always leave one pencil down. That's why they always fall. Okay, I need you to go on the second floor. Let me go on the front first. If I drown or this drowns, don't say it. Just grab some back down below and buy this on Amazon to watch my videos, and you always get to have this, and it goes straight to your home. Smash